In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect eToro to TradingView. It's important to clarify this right from the start. When people talk about connecting eToro to TradingView, what they usually mean is accessing TradingView-powered charts inside the eToro platform. In other words, you're not creating a separate broker connection through TradingView itself. Instead, you'll be using eToro's built-in charting tools, which are powered by TradingView, to analyze the market and then place trades directly through your eToro account. To begin, log into your eToro account and make sure you're on the main platform dashboard. Once you're signed in, go to either your portfolio or your watch list, depending on where the asset you want to review is located. Your portfolio is useful if you want to check something you already hold, while your watch list is the better option if you're tracking potential opportunities. Next, select the asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, crypto asset, forex pair, index, or another market available on eToro. After opening that asset, click on Chart. This is the key step, because eToro will then load the asset using its TradingView-powered chart interface. Once the chart opens, you'll be able to access the core TradingView charting features directly inside eToro. That includes candlestick views, multiple timeframes, drawing tools, and a variety of indicators. If you're doing technical analysis, this is where the platform becomes especially useful. On the left side of the chart, you'll find the drawing tools. You can use these to mark up the chart with trend lines, support and resistance zones, or any other annotations that help you organize your analysis. Taking a moment to label important levels can make your chart much easier to read, especially if you plan to come back to it later. At the top of the chart, you'll see the toolbar for indicators and chart settings. From there, you can add technical indicators, adjust the chart style, or change settings to better match your trading approach. For example, you might switch timeframes to compare short-term and long-term price action before making a decision. After that, analyze the market directly using the TradingView chart inside eToro. Once you feel ready to act, place your trade through eToro itself. That's because execution happens through your eToro account, not through a separate TradingView broker link. And that's it. You're now using eToro, with TradingView-powered charting for analysis and eToro for trade execution. Thanks for watching.